Do you like that grass? This is the grass before I cut it. You like the shade from the trees, don't you? What time is it? It's 28th of May. We're going to cut the grass and trim all these weeds down. And that's grass I got from my sister-in-law from my dad's house. And this is after. I had to actually cut it with a strimmer first before I cut it with the lawnmower because it was so thick. Done all this. Just need to sweep up. And I think a little bits out back, I'll show them. All round here. Need to pull them out at the polytunnel. Up here wasn't too bad. Done behind that. There's a chicken. And here I'm just putting some grass around the garlic. Up here. So didn't quite finish, did we? So we didn't finish, but I got more done than I thought actually. Got the drill as well to try and put these back on. It's a self-seeded lupin that looks like it's going to flower this year. Done around here, and this is the new allotment, so don't judge. I can't believe how quick it's grown, you know. Been trying to get back here so I can fix this bit of the shed. Oh, it's so bad, you can't even see my raspberries. Anyway, we're not looking at that allotment today. Let's sweep up. Are you happy now? I finished. I am back down on another lovely day, end of May. And one of the things I struggle with having autism and ADHD is I plant and sow all this stuff in the greenhouse and then I don't plant it out and it gets left there for ages, especially in the summer. So I've got everything out of the greenhouse that needs planting out, and I'm going to try and plant it out because I've got a head start today because I've got up early for a change. And I'll show you. That is literally everything out there. I'll show you inside the greenhouse first. It's all gone. We've got my lovely amaryllis that's flowering. Just a shame the slugs got to quite a lot of it before it started flowering. We've got a train that's about to go past. And the cucumbers that I planted, that I snapped accidentally on the way down, have died apart from one, but I'm going to sow some more today. I'm going to sow some more melons. All this is late sown tomatoes. We've got a normal plum and bush tomatoes, which if I get the new polytunnel sorted, that they can go in there, if not they can go outside. And the bush, some of the bush is going to my dad's. Aubergines is going to go in here or in the new polytunnel. A slug got one of them, so I put them up here because they're the way down there. That's the dahlias from Yew Garden, and some of them like come through a bit late, but I'm not sure about them. There's two in that one. Oh, there's two in that one. Anyway, they're going to be in my home garden. That's the snack size cucumbers and a bit of lettuce. And that's some peas about to come through. These didn't come through, the marrow. And I might sow some more of them. That's everything in the greenhouse. It's pretty much empty. Obviously, if my peppers are in the polytunnel, which I might try and plant them as well. Oh, my sunflowers have just got knocked over. Excuse me, Cass. Right, just in the size of them sunflowers. Got them to plant out. I didn't want to plant them out because they're a bit small, but I might just do it. Lettuce. seen the size of this lettuce? The one that was on its own in its big pot compared to them in littler pots done at the same time. This is going to go home probably. They need to be out. Spring onions, fennel. These all need to go out, but there's nowhere for them. I'll show you where the pumpkins need to go. This is where the pumpkins need to go. So that's not going to happen. Oh God. I need to try and weed around the raspberries, otherwise I'm not going to get any. It's a bit depressing, isn't it? That's where the zinnias are going to go. And the love lies bleeding. And this is more stuff to be planted out as well. Leeks and onions, they desperately need to be planted out. I might do them first. And I can't put these raspberries out until that's weeded over there. So I'm not going to sow any more cabbages because I've got nowhere to put them, because that's my basket cage. I'll probably just put them cabbages over here in little gaps after I've planted all these out, them cabbages. So that's cabbages. I've got crown prince pumpkins, orange pumpkins and butternut squash. There's some more chard here. Cape, marigolds, they're gone home or here. And this aubergine is going to get planted out. So what did I say I was going to start off with? I need to do it because I've got them all outside. There's stuff on there I don't really need to do yet. I said I was going to do the onions first. Oh yeah, onions and leeks and sunflowers first. They're going to go here, but the chickens are out, so I might need a net. And I've put the grass clippings around the garlic to keep the weeds down. That's last year's chard. Last year's chard. Some more lettuce. I need to weed them as well before anything else gets put out. Why are you just running away from me? Oh, you're running away from the dog, okay. I think I might have a little gap there to plant 3 things. Three cabbages maybe, Crisp. Flower bed is complete. Just planted zinnias. 3 there and 3 bunches there. They just look like nothing. I don't know if that's right or not. The love lies bleeding. There. There we go. That's everything. Sunflowers are doing good. What I'm going to do is chop the cosmos flowers that have flowered already. You can see. Have you flowered? Oh, yeah. You're about done anyway. More things planted. I am boiling and it's not even lit. Why am I so hot? One for my dad, one for me at home. What should we do now? Flowers are back in. And what are you doing here? Yep, that's going to have to be enough planting the sunflowers for now. I want to plant some more back, which I'll show you in a second, but I can't because it needs weeding and I just want to get other things planted. I'm going to give some to my nephews. I've already got some at home. Give some to my dad as well, I guess. So that might actually be it. I've got some spare big bunch down there in the cold frame. So I might give this lot or this lot to my nephews. And like the scraggly ones can go on the new allotment if I ever weed it. Hey, still got all this to do. Shall I do these first, or the onions and leeks? I'll do the onions and leeks. But back there where it's weedy, that's where I want the sunflowers. So we'll chuck the onions and leeks here and hopefully the chickens don't. Unless I lock them in quickly since they're all in. Hopefully they are all in. Put sunflower there even. There's sunflower in there. Two beside this. That's where I want them at the back, but it's so weedy. A few scattered about here. Chucked the ones that were in that thing, bunched up together in there because they'll just be small, with some nasturtiums. That's what the daffodils were in. There's something right there and there next to the poison like it was last year. What am I doing again? Oh yeah, I'm going to plant my onions and leeks. And we've got all these, so I'm going to have loads of sunflowers this year. Loads. Let's get the, what should we get first, the onions or the leeks? The onions. Let's just try and think. All the onions need to be planted out. They're going to be out in like next month. So I could plant whatever's left over spare leeks then. It's not going to be enough space. I would have normally done rotation, but I'm not. Shallots. It's just a bee cast. It's just a bee on the chives. I was thinking I'll leave some nasturtiums at the end. Plant the onions there. Yeah. Onions planted. They were desperate to go out. Got a few of them I'm going to plant between the lettuce over there. And then I've got the leeks, two different types. So like two different rows, and I'm going to have some left, I don't know. So I'm going to have to put in a pot until they're out. At least the leeks will be done at different times then. Actually gonna have a break from that and decided there's more important things to be done, like my chillies. I'm gonna plant them along the inside, plant marigolds. I might plant them outside, the spare tomatoes. This is the tomatoes. For some reason again, on this side they look healthy, but they're the same tomatoes. That one looks good though. Planted them a day after them. Can't make that much difference surely. Anyway, I've got flowers on. That's what's this one again? It's got a side shoot. That's a beefsteak tomato. These are all just yellow. Are these yellows? Also yellow? Oh god, they are as well. And I didn't mix them up because I've got a big polytunnel, which I really need to plant out, and the other tomatoes will it, to be fair. I'm just taking off the side shoots. Oh, now we are in here. Planted, watered. I realised why this side wasn't growing as much as this side. I think I might have planted them and forgot to water them because the ground was really dry even though I put grass on. I don't know though. Anyway, I've removed the grass, watered all the bottom and put it back on. So, I've got, this is a orange hot chili pepper. I have not nibbed them out this year, and that's done that on its own. All different mixes. We've got Big Jim, we've got long red pointed, we've got 4 different types. Our bell pepper, some marigolds in between. I'm glad these are looking healthy, and I did say actually, oh, and that's a different variety. I thought they were all yellow, but that's yellow. These are my neighbour's rollies ones that look really healthy. Yeah. Just watering everything. I haven't managed to do the leeks yet, so I'll leave them there for next time. This is my, what is it? That's where I put that anyway. Guess whiskers. Right, Casp. You stood on my onions. Go now. That's not when these are sown. Today is. That's the survivor up to now. I'm just going to directly sow them where I'm going to plant them. So 1, 2, and another 2 here. Quickly sow some melons before I go. Did some melons quickly sow since I killed them somehow. These are saved seeds from the ones I grew before. This will be for the new polytunnel if it gets built. I'll just chuck it on there for now. I think that's it, because we're going to have to go, aren't we? That's all for today. That's probably all for this video, because I did start it a while back. We've got quite a lot planted. Plant the leeks and that in another video. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!